if things continue the way they're going now, it's going to be an extremely difficult winter. And places like Germany are really trying by all means to get other parts of Europe to contribute with gas. Inventory levels are already very low, and heading into the winter, the risks are very skewed. This is obviously something that gives Russia a very strong hand, and unfortunately there's no easy or quick way out. So I think energy will continue to be a key driver of global markets. It's one of the reasons why Europe, I think, it's in such a fragile situation. And countries like Germany, which are very industrial, are again being hit not only by the prices but the volumes. And so we are in Europe trying to address this in the best possible way, liaising with North Africa and whatever we can to get hold of this energy. But Asia may have a less of an issue in some parts, but they have a big issue themselves as well. And I think this brings the point of energy security, right, and energy independence and stuff. And I think once we get into hoarding and the issue becomes, social unrest and revolts, price goes to a second place, right? So, and you're already starting to see that across a number of commodities. The last few weeks have been interesting because the market is kind of swinging from two extreme scenarios, right? From the stagflation, print, inflation, and all real assets go up, to this scenario of recession and slower demand. I think we are much more on a stagflationary path, and Europe in particular, I think, is in that trap, unfortunately. So sincerely hope the situation with Russia will be resolved, but as time goes by, the clock's ticking and the factories are suffering, and the inventories are going down, and it's going to take a while. Even if things were to normalize, you're still in low inventory levels, so you need to build those inventories just to get those cushions, and that means there's limited room for negative surprises. So this is the unfortunate situation, and again, Russia is playing their cards very aggressively, and I think it will have implications longer term. But over the next few months and possibly years, there's not so much Europe can do without significant cuts and pain.
If you enjoyed this video clip, click here to watch another one you should like.